A very good morning to all of you children. Welcome to the GK class 8B. Hope you all are fine. Yes. In the last class, we did till page number 73, if you remember. So I expect you all to open the books to page number 74. Today we'll be doing page number 74, 75, 76 and 77 as you can see on the board also. 74, 75, 76 and 77. Please write down today's date on all the 4 pages. That is 4th February 2021. Please do that. Just a minute. Yes. So we'll be starting with page number 74. Class 8B, hope you all can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Now children, before I begin, I would like to tell you that these are the 4 last pages as you have received the syllabus. So these are the 4 last pages. We'll be doing this, we'll be finishing, and after that we'll be revising only. Fine. In GK classes, we'll be having revision so that you are well prepared in advance for your GK examination. Fine. So let's start with it. The first one, that is page number 74. Here we'll be talking about the women who have won Nobel Prize. Fine. So the first one, let's start with it. The first one says she was the first and the only woman till date who won 2 Nobel Prizes, one for physics and the other for chemistry. Any guesses? This is related to your science.
Marie Curie.
Yes, Marie Curie is the correct answer. Please just write, do not write it for the time being. Just mark the answer in the yellow color box. It is given on page number 75. Please put 1 in front of Marie Curie. The other one, she was the first Latin American author to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. Some central themes in her poems were nature, betrayal, love, mother's love, sorrow, and recovery, travel, etc. Her portrait also appears on the 5,000 Chilean peso bank note. And the answer for this is Gabriela Mistral. Gabriela Mistral. That is the answer for the second one. Third one, she was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. She is best remembered for establishing the Missionaries of Charity, a Roman Catholic religious congregation consisting of over 4,500 sisters and is active in around 133 countries. They run homes for people dying of HIV/AIDS, leprosy, tuberculosis, etc. They also run orphanages and schools for poor children. And the answer, quite obvious, is
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa is the correct answer. Please mark Mother Teresa as third answer. Moving on to the fourth one. She was a South African writer, political activist, and recipient of the 1991 Nobel Prize in Literature. Her write-up dealt with moral and racial issues, particularly apartheid. Please put your speakers off, children. Be careful. The speakers should be off. Be careful with it. Particularly apartheid in South Africa. And the answer for this is Nadine Gordimer. Nadine Gordimer. Mark the answer. A B, waiting for your reply. Have you marked the answer? Can you hear me? Okay, so just keep saying yes. Then fifth one. She is a politician and opposition leader of Myanmar who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1991. She had brought democracy to her country, that is Myanmar, using non-violence. And the answer is Aung San Suu Kyi. Then the next one, that is the sixth one. She is an Iranian lawyer, a former judge and human rights activist and founder of Defenders of Human Rights Center in Iran. She was awarded the Nobel Prize in 2003 for her significant effort for democracy and human rights, especially women's, children's and refugees' rights. And the answer is Shireen Ebadi. Shireen Ebadi is the correct answer. Then the seventh one, she's a Canadian short story writer and Nobel Prize winner. She is often called the master of contemporary short story. The underlying themes of her work are often relationship problems and moral conflicts. And answer is Alice Munro. Alice Munro is the correct answer. Then the eighth one, she is the youngest recipient of the Nobel Prize, that is important. At the young age of 11 years, she started blogging out about her life under Taliban rule. Later, she was shot by Taliban, but she managed to recover from the attack and continues to advocate for girls and women's rights, especially for being allowed to go to school. And this attack was like this, she was attacked when she was in a bus, a small girl going to the school, and she was attacked there. And the answer is Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai. Then the last one. She is a Belarusian investigative journalist and non-fiction prose writer in Russia. Her work has given voice to survivors of the conflict and disaster all over the former Soviet Union, shedding light into the emotional lives of people of her country. And the answer is Svetlana Alexievich. Svetlana Alexievich. So this is how we have completed 74 and 75. Next we move on to page number 76. Please make sure that you write today's date here. Now here this page we are going to talk about the Indian discoveries. So we'll be basically talking about what happened in India and the Indians who have discovered different things. India has made various inventions and contributions to the world. Read the clues and answer the questions that follow. The first one says, which Hindu astronomer and mathematician is credited with the discovery of zero? I hope you all know the answer.
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta. Yes. So please write down Aryabhatta. 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 Then the second one, excavations from the Indus Valley civilization revealed the existence of buttons, which were basically used for ornamental purposes. With what were they made of? Any guesses?
Shells.
Shells. Correct. So you will be getting it as a part of your, syllabus for the final examination. So here, if you just do a little brainstorming, you'll be ready with this page. So shells is the correct answer. Then the third one, which ruler of South India was the first to make use of iron-cased metal cylinder rockets against the large British East India Company? We're talking about a king.
Tipu Sultan.
Yes, and there was a serial also based on the same series of incidents, and that is Tipu Sultan. Yes, correct answer is Tipu Sultan. T-I-P-U and then Sultan, S-U-L-T-A-N, Sultan. Next, the fourth one. Please keep writing the answers. Fourth one. The Nawabs of Bengal around 1762 during the Mughal rule used head massage oil, which was referred to as champo. But over the years, what did champo get evolved into?
Shampoo.
Yes, shampoo. So you have the answer in the question itself. From shampoo, shampoo. S-H-A-M-P-O-O, shampoo. Written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one. This modern day game developed out of Chaturanga, an ancient strategy board game which was developed during the Gupta Empire.
Chess.
Chess is
Chess.
the correct answer. Yes. Chess is the correct answer. Next is the sixth one. Which device used for measuring was first used by the Indus Valley civilization prior to 1500 BCE? It was then made of ivory. Any idea what is ivory? B, any idea of ivory? Any idea of poaching? What is poaching? This is all related
Killing
to
animals illegally for their flesh or skin or their horns.
Correct. Very good. Now, one of the animal is threatened for
Ma'am,
ivory.
elephant's tusk.
Elephant. And what is elephant basically threatened for?
Tooth.
Its tusk. Yes? That is white in color, and from that, yes, so that is the ivory, and the white color, the actual ivory is very costly. So these are white colored, you can say, material, and out of this many things are made of. So it was made of ivory, yes, Vaibhavi. So what was the first thing for use for measuring?
Ruler.
That was a ruler. Yes. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. Then the next one, which ancient Indian physician first performed the cataract surgery? Have we talked about cataract when we were discussing light in physics? I think that was the last
Yes,
point
ma'am.
that we discussed. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So just think how many years ago the first surgery was performed. So it was performed by Sushruta, one of the very ancient physician. Sushruta, that is Sushruta. Next, the eighth one. Almost 500 years ago, India was the only source of which precious stone?
Diamond.
Diamond.
Do you imagine that condition? Do you want that condition to be back? That India is the richest source of diamond? Hmm? How many of you wish India to be so rich
Yes.
today? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
500
ma'am.
years ago it was the case, but not now. Fine. So diamond is the correct answer. Diamonds. Diamonds. Next, ninth one. This physical exercise of the mind, body, and soul was developed by Patanjali, a revered sage in modern India. What is that?
Yoga.
Yoga.
And who started it?
Yoga.
Who started it?
Patanjali.
Patanjali.
It was started by Patanjali. Okay. Any one person you can name who is related to this these
Ma'am,
days?
Baba
Very
Ramdev.
yes, very famous, huh? Yes. How many of you actually perform yoga? Anyone? No. You don't have time for it. Okay. The 10th one. Which ancient sage first explained the positive and the negative numbers and their calculations in his book Brahmaputra Siddhant? And the answer lies in the question itself. It is Brahmaputra. Brahmputra. Brahmaputra. So this is how we have finished page number 76 also. Now we move on to 77. Please write down the date if you have not written till now. So here is movie buff. Over time, some world famous movies have been made that have entertained us for years. Answer the following questions to check how much you know about movies. And class 8th, I request you that you are big enough not to play with the screen while the teacher is teaching. That's the only thing I would like to say because you're grown enough. Fine. The first one, which well-known film celebrity has won the maximum number of Oscar awards till date? The answer for, please keep marking the answer in the yellow colored box. The answer for this is Walt Disney.
Walt Disney.
Yes. Walt Disney is the correct answer. Then the second one, in which movie did Charlie Chaplin first play a speaking role? As you must be aware of that previously, the videos
Great
that you
Dictator.
Yes, Great Dictator. You must have seen that his videos generally do not contain the speech. It's only the action and the music. So this is the first one where you find him speaking, and that is Great Dictator. The third one, world famous director Akira Kurosawa was from which country? And the answer is
Japan.
Yes, Japan is the correct answer. You seem to be knowing a lot about the movies. That's good. So it is Japan. Next one. In which film did Bruce Lee make a final appearance before his death?
Enter the Dragon.
Yes, Enter the Dragon is the correct answer. Please mark it, Enter the Dragon. Fifth one. Which director was known as the master of suspense?
Alfred Hitchcock.
Yes, Alfred Hitchcock is the correct answer. Then the sixth one, the film The Lord of Rings trilogy was filmed entirely in which country? The answer is New Zealand. Yes, please mark the answer, New Zealand. Next you have seventh one, that is which is the oldest film festival in the world? And the answer is Venice Film Festival. Venice. Yes.
Venice Film Festival.
Yeah, correct. Venice Film Festival. Moving on to the eighth one. In which film festival is the Palme d'Or award given? And the answer is Cannes. Yes, Cannes Film Festival. Then the next one, that is ninth one. In which year were the Oscar award first given? They were given in the year 1921. Yes, 1921. And the last one, that is the 10th one. Who played the role of James Bond in the movie Dr. Number?
Sean Connery.
Sean Connery is the correct answer. Now this is how we have come to the end of the GK syllabus for the final examination, children. Before I finish, I would like to again tell you that now onwards we will be having GK revision. It will be good and helpful for you if you attend the classes for the revision, because that is how you get to know not the questions but the way your questions can be framed. Of course, you know it will be an objective test. Yes, on the Google form. So you will be getting the options for it, but then you need to know that it's not that the same language or in the same way as it is given in the book, the questions will not be given in the same way. The language will be a little molded. So you need to attend the classes for the revision work. Fine. So this is how we have come to the end of today's class. In the next class, please make sure that you revise page number 50, 55, 58. I repeat, page number 50, 55, 58 will be taken for revision in the next class. Thank you, class. Take care of yourselves till we meet again. Bye-bye.